Let's talk about the latest launched lava smartphone Blaze Curve 5G with 3D curved design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED 3D curved display, 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 90.5% screen to body ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 800 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ color quality support, and with Dragon Trail Star 2 glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 64 megapixel main camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.6 GHz dual-core Cortex A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, with 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB, of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.8 by 74 by 8.8 mm, and it weighs around 189 grams, and the color options iron glass, Viridian glass colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With face unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo speakers, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Lava Blaze Curve 5G has been priced for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 17,999 Indian rupees, and 60,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $217, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 18,999 Indian rupees, and 63,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $230. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Lava Blaze Curve 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.